When they clear cut out west, they leave mountains with patches, wounds in the forest that bleed in the streams, forcing the salmon to change their direction. The streams like the loggers, too silty to see. When they clear cut out west, it's a corporate attraction, a subsidized ambush clear up to Alaska. In Oregon, it's Midco, California, it's Maxim. It's a war on the wilderness, paid for with taxes. So climb up, you ladderback, see red cockaded. Get furious, you flickers, be affiliated. We'll curse the clear cutters, raise hell like a hellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion. They clear cut down south, the giant plantations, Georgia Pacific, all through Tennessee. It seems like the goal is to change Carolina from one flowing forest to one pining tree. When they clear cut in Maine, it's a major disaster. Diesel Paul Bunyan's plucked in the trees. Up in the air you can see what they're after. It strips by the road, the sky's what you see. So climb up, you ladderback, see red cockade. Get furious, you flickers, be affiliated. We'll curse the clear cutters, raise hell like a hellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion. This is another one of those Stein drinking songs. We're at the Toad. Okay, really late. There you go. So climb up, you ladderback, see red cockade. Get furious, you flickers, be affiliated. We'll curse the clear cutters, raise hell like a hellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion. Okay, you're on your own. Give it a try. So climb up. Wait a minute, Dad. I'm sorry. It's not quite fair. Dad, yeah. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it one. Climb up, you ladderbacks. See red cockaded. Give that a try. So climb up, you ladderback. See red cockaded. Who said redneck Caucasian? I thought that was the lyric. Okay, keep it in. Get furious, you flickers. Pillated. All right, give it a. Get furious, you pillated. Redneck. Pillated. So climb up, you ladderback, see red cockade. Get furious, you flickers, P.O.P.L.E. Curse! We'll curse the clear cutters, raise hell like a hellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion. They clear cut in Texas with Vietnam tactics, napalming forests with chopper attacks, changing the wildness to meet monoculture, and then wonder why the pine beetle comes back. Here we go. So climb up, you ladderback, see red cockade. Get furious, you flickers, P.O.P.L.E. We'll curse the clear cutters, raise hell like a hellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion. We're joining tonight the Woodpecker Rebellion.